Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can add different borders to different pages in Microsoft Word. So let's go quick into the process. First is we just need to open Microsoft Word. So go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Word. Click on it under the best match. Click on the blank document, or if you already have your document, then you can simply open that. Now let me just quickly insert another blank page. So we have two pages from here, and we are going to make a different border for page 1 and different border for page 2. Okay, so let's go. At the top, you'll find this tab design, and here you can find page borders, but we are not going to dive into the page borders yet. Let's just go to the layout tab, this one. Then click on the first page, and then you'll find breaks. Click on this drop down and choose next page. Okay. Now once you choose next page, simply click on the first page. Then go back to the design tab. Click on page borders. Click on box and then choose your style from here and for the color. And then for the width. Then you have here apply to whole document. Click on this drop down and choose this section and click on OK. Okay. So we have added the border for the first page. Now click on the second page and then simply click on layout again, breaks, next page, and then go back to clicking on the second page like that, second page, and then click to the design tab and here click on page borders. Now let's go with this one, box, and then let's go with art. Click on this drop down and choose from here and click on apply to. Click on this drop down and choose this section and click on OK. And that's it. Okay, now for the third page. So click on that and just do the same process for the first and second pages. Okay, and that's it. That's how you can easily add a different border for different pages in Microsoft Word. So, I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.